Hello everyone, this is Paul from Hi-Fi Mac. This is the Apple Carplay box for the BMW. Some friends ask me if that is possible to change the icon here, the exit icon, to car logo such as BMW or Mercedes-Benz or any pictures. When I hit the exit, it will go to the menu for the Carplay box. Now, let me show you step by step to change this icon. Also, I will talking about how to change the book logo for the Apple Carplay box. The first thing I need to make a picture with the PNG format. The second is the resolution for this picture is 215 by 215. Yeah. And the file, the name is CP Back. Okay, that's fine. And I save it. I need to choose the PNG. Yeah. Replay it. Confirm. That way I will get the picture. Okay, now I just copy this picture to the UDIS. Copy. Just put the UDIS here. This UDIS contains the logo I made. And now we connect to the USB here. And then I click the exit. Go to the setup menu. Here, setup. Go to the setup and scroll down. You will see the software update. Click it. You need to input the password. The password is 2916, and then it will get into the update menu, Carplay icon update. User update Carplay icon and reboot. Click yes, and it will reboot, right?
Later.
Okay, it have restart now, right? You can see this icon have changed to these pictures we made here. Here. See? Here. Now the book logo here. That must be BMP format. The resolution is here. The name is logo BMP. So I made a picture like this. I need to save it as PMP. This one, BMP. And then the name for the logo is logo. Save it. Confirm. That way I will get a picture with the BMP. The resolution is 800 by 418. The name is logo. So I just copy this to the UDIS. Okay. I need to delete the old one and copy the new one we made, right? Also connect to the USB. And then go to the menu and go to the logo image update here. Logo image update. Click yes here. You need to restart the unit, so I restart it. To verify the logo, so I hold this menu button in order to go to the CarPlay menu. You can see this image show in the CarPlay menu because I hold this menu button. If I don't hold this menu button, the system will get into the original car interface. That way you cannot see the change for the logo we made. Okay, everything is fine now. Thank you very much.